Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Subaru? Well, you're gonna love this one right here. This is the 2018, the Subaru Forester, stock number is 7193B. Now, a virtual video walk around is gonna allow you to see this vehicle up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the passenger side exterior condition in the rear, absolutely flawless. Subarus with their all-wheel drive make it very, very safe as far as driving in the inclement weather that we have here in the Great Pacific Northwest, whether it be rain or snow. Talking about some ample room in the rear here. If you got groceries, traveling, whatever you might be, you'll be able to store a lot of material in the back. Now we're going to take you and put you in the passenger and driver's front seat. You can see the interior automatic power transmission, power windows, locks, cruise tilt, even the moonroof for visibility, warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and that's at one place and one place only. It's right here at Sunset Ford. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care now.